Hi, Faith here. I hope you all are doing well and thank you so much for always coming back to the channel. Today we are heading off to the Gold Coast and I am definitely bringing you guys with me. We've got a number of activities planned, so if you want to have an idea of the type of things you can do when you go to the Gold Coast, then definitely keep on watching.
Big moves, my rules.
We're in the Gold Coast now. We can't go into the apartment at the moment because it's not 2 p.m. yet, so check-in is actually 2 p.m. So we've had to come look around. So this beach is called Main Beach and we're just checking it out before we come back here later to have a feel of what it is like. We'll just check it out and then when it's 2 p.m. we'll go back to the hotel to check in and then come out later. But yeah, this is Main Beach and it is in the Gold Coast and it's looking really beautiful already. It's really close to the apartment. It says it's about 700 feet to walk, so it's just a very short walk from the apartment, which I really like. We will go closer to the water now and I will, just put my legs in water until I can change into something more appropriate for the beach. I haven't seen an ice cream van in Australia. This is one. So I'm finally getting ice cream from an ice cream van after a very long time. I can't remember the last time I got ice cream from a van. This brings back like childhood memories, obviously. There's nothing with salted caramel, but that's okay. So we're trying to find cold so we can buy some things to stock up the fridge with. Finally. Finally. So we're at this mall called Australian Fair. It's really big and it was kind of hard to find where Coles is. They seem to be doing some constructions around as well. But yeah, let's pick up some things and head back quickly. The names here are actually funny. That one's called Seychelles and this one which we are going to be in is called Maldives. The irony. Anyway, let's go in, check in and then start the holiday. It smells so good. Hi, so we're finally in the accommodation now. Like I said, we had to wait till it was 2 p.m. until we were able to check in, but I want to give you a quick tour of what this apartment looks like. It's looking really beautiful already and of course it has a view. Let me show you what this place looks like. So this is the door and once you walk in, there's a mirror just on this side and a little kitchen situation going on here. So you've got the fridge, the microwave, just a little kitchen thing going on here. And this is the living area. We've got a chair and table, another table here. There's a couch on this side, another one here, and The view here isn't so bad, so I know that I wanted the view, and this is the view of the pool. And over here it's just a glimpse of the beach, which is not so bad at all. Like, I can't even complain. That's beautiful. Then this high-rise building that you can wake up to, I think this is called Park Lane. But yeah, this is the view, which is beautiful. I can't complain. I like that I can see the beach just over there. And I also like that it's a walking distance from the accommodation as well. This is the bathroom. I really love the minimal colors. So I can see a lot of black and white finishing, which is so beautiful. I like that there's a shower head as well. And there's a washing machine here and a dryer, just in case we want to do some washing. I really love the fittings. I love these fittings, guys. This is like black and white. It's so minimal and I love it. Cool. And just by the restroom, this is the room. It has this mirror wardrobe thing going on, and the sheets, and there's a TV in the room as well. Cool. There's another cupboard space here. I'm gonna move back a bit so you can see it. So the room also opens up to the balcony space as well, and we're just going to go in there a bit. I just need my hand to be able to open the door. Room, it opens up to the balcony space as well, just as the living area, and you get the same view. Basically, there's some construction going on over there, so it's going to be noisy. And wow, you can get the view of the whole city. Basically, this is so beautiful. It's funny how the apartment just opposite is called the Seychelles, that one right down there, and the one we're in is called the Maldives. And yeah, that's the glimpse of the beach on the other side, and the pool is just down there. I think that it's going to be a fun stay here. But yeah, let's go grab our things and we'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so we just got back from the beach and it was so relaxing. We will go try out the pool, and there's a hot bath next to it, or whatever it's called. So we'll go down now and soak in the warm bath. That's what I want to do. This view is stunning. I can't get over this view. The beach is just, you know what, let's go to the balcony so you can get a better view. So this is the view from the balcony and it is amazing. I did this earlier on, but like I'm back in the evening and you can actually see the sunset. So beautiful, guys. I feel like every time I've picked accommodation for us, there's been like a beautiful view to it. If it's not the beach, it's the mountain or something that just really excites you. This is so beautiful. And then on this side, the beach view, and then you can actually see the other resorts around it. You can tell that this is like a holiday spot for a lot of people. And on this side, the view continues. It is so beautiful. It's getting dark. Yeah, I was saying that the accommodation down just opposite is called Seychelles, and it's just so funny because we are in the Maldives and then Seychelles is just opposite us, and I'm very sure we spotted Malibu somewhere around while we were driving in. Anyway, let's go to the pool and spend some time and then go find dinner afterwards. I love the Gold Coast, guys. I really like it here. So this is what the pool area looks like. So there's the small one which is warm, and then the other one, this is like 1.2 meters, so hopefully I can go in and be able to keep myself stable. Yep. So I've been in there for about an hour now and it feels so relaxing. I just want to go find dinner now and go to bed. But yeah, totally loving my stay here at the Maldives. I wish it was the real Maldives, but I guess we can make do with this until we can actually go to Maldives. But yeah, this is so refreshing. I definitely recommend this apartment if you're in the Gold Coast and looking for where to stay. Okay, see you guys when I go to get dinner.